Welcome friends to my channel. So today we'll be making something which is healthy again. And a favorite among all Sindhi and non-Sindhi friends. This is called dal pakwan. So of course dal is healthy. We'll be making the pakwans also healthy by using whole wheat flour instead of maida. So let's look at how we're gonna make the pakwans healthy. So here I have about 3 cups of whole wheat flour, and I have some ghee, some ajwain, I have a semolina or suji, I have kasuri methi which is optional, I have some salt and some oil. So let's look at how to make this. To the 3 cups of flour we'll add about 3 spoons of suji. To this we'll add salt as per taste. Now we'll take some ajwain in hand, and with your hand just crush it so that all the flavors are combined well inside. And to this we'll add the crushed kasuri methi and ghee. So ghee is basically used as more so that it becomes very, very crispy. So keep mixing it. So we have mixed all the ingredients now. To check the consistency, just take a little flour in the hand and see if it binds. If it binds, that means the ghee that we added is the right amount of ghee. So we have to add ghee or oil, whatever you want to add, till the time your flour binds like this. Now with help of water, you make a tight dough, not very thin, just make it very tight, and keep softening it with your hand only, not adding more water. So I've been kneading this dough for about 10 minutes now. So make sure you give it a good knead and then only make pakwans out of it. So this is done. Apply a little oil on the top, cover it and keep it aside for some time till we make preparation for the dal. So for dal, of course we need dal. So for the dal, what I have done is I have taken about 2 cups of chana dal, and I have soaked it for about 2 hours, and then pressure cookered it for about 3 whistles, adding salt, turmeric and one spoon of ghee. Make sure the dal is like this, not crushed. Okay. So now we start a kadai. We put a kadai on the flame, and to this we'll add a big spoon of ghee and very little oil. So allow the ghee to melt. So we have some ingredients till the ghee melts. I'll show you. So I have some bay leaf here. I have some chilies, some ginger which I have grated, asafoetida, curry leaves, chopped tomatoes, garam masala. This is red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt, oil, jeera, and this is it. So our ghee has melted. To this I will add the bay leaf, some jeera, let the jeera crackle. Once the jeera crackles, add hing, about 1 teaspoon. It just adds lovely flavor to the dal. So once this is done, add ginger, chili. Again, chilies and ginger can be as per taste, but here I have taken 2 chilies, medium sized chilies, and about 2 inches of ginger. So once it starts changing color, the ginger, add the curry leaves. And once you start feeling the aroma of the curry leaves is when you add chopped tomatoes. So we'll allow it some cooking time. So once it's half done, we'll add the masalas in it. So the tomatoes have become squishy. To this I'll add about 1 big spoon of coriander powder. Then chilies can be as per choice. I am adding about half a tablespoon of chilies, about 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and salt to taste, and also about 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Just give it a mix. Let the masalas cook, and then we'll add the dal to it. And now let's start preparing the pakwans. Our dough is done. I have already started the flame and we'll be making pakwans. So I'll take a small lohi or a ball of dough, put it here, and just roll it thin. You can also make bite-size things in this, but generally pakwans are big in size, but there are people who prefer bite-size. So I have a fork here. You can look at the consistency, look at how thin it is. Now to this we'll just poke it with the help of a fork or a skewer, whatever, so that it doesn't fluff up and becomes crispy. Is done. So let's add a little ball in the kadai. See if it is, you can see it is hot. Now we'll reduce the flame and we'll add the pakwan into it. Make sure you use your ladle so that it doesn't fluff up, because we don't want it to fluff up like a puri. Like this. So while our pakwans are getting ready, let's pour in the dal in the mixture. You can see the entire ghee and oil has come out. So this is the time that you add your dal. Ghee gives a wonderful flavor to this dal, so I highly recommend ghee. But again, the choice is yours. You can also completely use oil. And we'll allow it some cooking time. So more you cook it in on simmer, the better flavor you get for this dal. So our pakwan is getting almost done. We'll allow it some more cooking time. So our pakwan looks done. Remove it on a tissue and we'll continue to make the other pakwans. You can also store these pakwans for about a week. Nothing happens to these pakwans. This is how our dal and the pakwan looks. I have served it with little pudina chutney with some onions. It tastes superb with that. So you can make a pudina chutney and mix onions in this, add a little rock salt, and they taste just superb. So let me know once you try this recipe. It's super healthy, but yes, it is fried. So but it's healthy, so you can enjoy this with it. So I'll show you how the crispiness of the pakwan is. So you can get the same feel as you have it in maida. So keep trying and subscribe to my channel. Look forward to more recipes. Keep pinging me if you have any challenges. I'll be happy to help like you always do. Press on the notification button, subscribe to my channel and like my recipes. Thank you so much for your time.